Here is your tutorial going over creating a Google Doc in MLA format. So if you swipe down on your iPad home screen and you type docs, you can get yourself there through a shortcut. And on the bottom right, you want to click the plus and click New Document. Title this document whatever you're working on, and then create your document. So here we go. We got to start with your name. So hello, Billie Eilish. Nice to meet you. You want to select your name because that needs to be in the correct font. So at the top right, click the letter A. And under text, you'll see font. You need to click font and scroll down and click Times New Roman. Click the back arrow. Stay in the text box. And next to size, you want to go to size 12. So click the up arrow. Stay in the letter A box because now we need to go into paragraphs. So next to text, you'll see paragraph. So click paragraph. And next to line spacing, go up arrow to number 2. And now you have double spacing. And that's all in the letter A. So you can click out, click next to your name, click enter, and there you go, one step down. So under your name is your teacher, so you'll do Miss Bokino. Click enter, and then you put in your class. Make sure you're capitalizing your class, you do a comma, and then you do your period. So whichever period you're in, make sure you capitalize and click enter, and then you have your date. So you want to put in whenever your paper is due. So whenever your due date is, go ahead and put that in proper format. Click down, and then we need our title. So if you see at the top center of the screen, those lines, you want to click the center lines, and that'll center you. And then you want to put in a creative title. So think about what your whole paper is pointing towards. What's the takeaway message? What are we going to get out of the end of your paper? Okay, so losing to gain. Ooh, I'm intrigued about what this will all be about. Okay, click enter. You need to be back on the left. So at the top, next to the centers, right to the left, click the left one, and there you go on the left. So remember the trick to indenting. You see the microphone next to the spacebar key on your iPad? The microphone next to the spacebar key on your iPad. You'll click that microphone, and you'll say the words tab key. So you click the microphone, and you say tab key, and it will tab over for you. I can't do it or else the video will end, but it will tab over for you, and that is how you start with your indent. And then you will start typing here in the nicely indented space. And then you have the rest of your paper to continue on with all of your wonderful ideas. But wait, there's more. You're forgetting your header. So at the very top right, you need your last name and page number. So click the plus at the top next to the letter A. Click the plus and scroll down to page number and click the top left page number option, the top left with the 1 and the 2. And if you see at the top of your screen, there's your number. You're going to do your last name. You're doing your last name. And then space, select all of this because it is in the wrong font. Click back into our letter A, into text. You need to go to font Times New Roman, size 12. So A, text, font Times New Roman, size 12. Now your header is in the right font. And now you are starting off with a nicely formatted paper. Okay, once you are finished with your entire essay, you will submit it to Turn. So tune into that link to see how to do that as well. Thank you.